I'll not put coriander leaves because I've already put coriander powder. Simply, it always makes the food, any food, to smell nice. Even mint, you can use it too. It's so yummy. So there we go. Our food is, our mutton is now ready. Okay. So we will not overcook the meat for it. Like the meat is just to make the food smell extremely nice. I'm so tired. So this one I'll just pack it because we're going to the beach. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mayama. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment and share. And for those who are always supporting me, thank you. For the new subscribers, welcome. For the coming back subscribers, welcome back. So in today's video, guys, I want us to prepare mutton. This one I've already washed it, so I'll show you how to prepare mutton because this is the only method that Boateng told me how Ghanaians prepare their mutton. So I have my blender right over here. So I'll make sure this is my onion. We'll cut some onion into the blender. It's risky holding like this your knife, but because I want you to see me, so I'll just have to do it this way. So today we are preparing mutton, dry mutton, because this is ginger, fresh ginger, because we want to go to the beach today, me, my sister, and Boateng, because we said why not go out, and you know, beach there you need to, sometimes we buy Arabic food, and especially Boateng doesn't like Arabic food, my sister too. For me, I can eat, even coconut I can eat. So ginger, you put as much as you yourself want. It has got no measure, but you see that's an onion and ginger. Then we have some cloves of garlic right over here. You know, for me, I always put more because it's always like, I like my food with garlic. So I put like 8 of them. And then we have chili, so that we will not have some bad smell. I put, these are 6, 7, 8. We will have to wash them. Then we cut that. Eight, you can put even 9, 10 as you want. So today we are just going to prepare ordinary mutton, so that at least when we go to the beach we'll have something to enjoy, something to enjoy. We'll add some tomatoes. I think one is okay because later on we have to, so that is it. We have our meat, onion, ginger, garlic, pepper, then tomatoes. Salt, please. Sorry guys. Salt, again, 1 spoon of salt. And then we will have some water. This is the water that, let me add more, because this is the only water that we are going to use to boil our mutton. You know, by doing this, you see there are some scent of mutton that will disappear by doing this, by adding this, by boiling the mutton with these things, vegetables or what. And then again, it makes the mutton taste nice. Oh my gosh. So it has to blend. I like saying Bismillah because I don't know why. My Arab people teach me that. I'm scared maybe it will open. That's it. So our mutton is here. We've already washed it. So I'll just pour. We just pour the mixture here. Then right to the oven to leave it to boil. You see? Can you see it clearly? Because my phone, I don't have it. So let's go and put it on the oven, guys. Never mind my place of cooking. So it's here. We put it on fire. Then it will boil. Make sure that it's boiled until the water, like, it will boil until you make sure that the mutton is soft. And then after that we'll see what to do. Stay tuned. Hey babe, sasa sahi tuko hapa, we are here. You can see our mutton is fully boiled. So this is onion. You can add some oil. Oh. I don't have a director, so we just understand this. Not put all the, you see that stew on down there, you can use it to make soup, or you can use it to make. So even you're not supposed to overcook it. Coriander powder as usual. I don't have a director, so you just bear with me. Black pepper. The one here is mint with. I don't have a director before, so just bear with me. Tomato paste, tomato sauce or tomato paste, any. this is mutton. Oh my gosh. Then you see it. Then we put mint leaves. I'll not put coriander leaves because I've already put coriander powder. Mint leaves will always make the food, any food, to smell nice. Even mint, you can use it too. So yummy. So there we go. Our food is, our mutton is now ready. Okay. So we'll not overcook the meat for it. Like the meat is just to make the food smell extremely nice. I'm so tired. So this one I'll just pack it because we're going to the beach. So thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for cooking with me. This is how you can prepare mutton. Let's dry one. So because I don't want to put in, I don't want to add I don't want to add water. So just like this color. Then you can eat with bread. You can eat with chapati. Anything. That is it. Thank you so much for your support, please. Thank you so much. Keep subscribing. I love you so much.